Another day.
Yeah, not another ordinary day. Eating Starburst. Huh.
I thought that was mine.
But that it was. No, it's mine. You know what this calls for?
What? Thumbs.
Are you ready for the thumb wrestle of a lifetime?
Ready for this.
3, 2, 1. Give up now!
You give up.
You know what? What?
It's not going to do anything for us. So we should just split it.
Split? But how? How are we gonna split?
And plus, it's not going to be even. I don't split well. We'll figure it out.
I have an idea. I'm gonna throw this down the stairs. Let's go check it out.
Still one piece.
Everybody, bite it! Come on, everybody, bite it!
Come on, split it. Split it, come on, come on.
Perfect. We did it.
So we finally split it.
Yes.